at this, in this 40 zone. Can we pull over just for a second so Paul and I can swap cars? Hey, appreciate it, thanks.
After a quick pit stop, you might have noticed that my car has changed colour. Yeah, we've just decided to do a little bit of a swap, so I'm now going to be doing a leg in the R, which is quite strange, watching my own car up ahead, with Kenny kindly driving the Dream Machine, just to kind of try and compare the R to the GT. Immediately, obviously, you can tell it's more focused with the racing seats, the racing bucket seats, harnesses, etc. Yeah, already can tell that this is a far more focused car. What you do need to do is have your wits about you though. Yes, this is a fun car to drive. Kenny, I can see why you bought one of these. Couple of just subtle hints. You can see this car compared to the GT is almost 100 kilos lighter, and you can see where that 100 comes from because of the one-piece buckets, which are very comfortable. Replace the door handles with material, no back window of course, which means that you can save a few grams on not having a rear window or a mirror. That's the word I'm looking for. Yeah, hours of fun.
This is the fucking ball bag in the white Nissan that thinks he's Lewis fucking Hamilton. You see what I mean about the steering geometry, right? It's completely different steering feel. Yours is so much more vague than mine's.
Well, we're on a pretty dull little stretch on the way into Fort William with wall-to-wall traffic. Just want to take this opportunity to say one thanks to Kenny for giving me a shot of his A110R. Absolutely cracking machine, and definitely does inspire confidence.
Skyfall Road to the hotel tonight.
And
about 2 hours. Cool. So hopefully you'll be well. We should be at the
just
hotel
getting the
5 then.
message about where the hotel is. Also just want to say thanks to Wayne from Wayne's World of Wheels for putting on the tour in the first place. Some cracking hotels, some lovely locations, some meeting of some new and interesting people, getting to drive some really quality cars as well. So yeah, if you're ever looking to book a supercar trip, yeah, give Wayne a shout at Wayne's World of Wheels. There you go, Wayne. You can send the check through the post, mate. I'm joking, of course.
What about you, Gary? You fancy a lead again, or what do you think?
Not the only ones out enjoying the road.
The shot, because you'll recognise it, or you're marvelled out to stop, you take a shot to the back of the car, you can either spin around the wee waterfall, you can spin around and come back, or you can continue all the way down to the house, and then that's it. And there's
Out for a drive, really?
Yeah, this is really cool.
So yeah, just we're up in the north of Scotland earlier on. They're now going down to the Skyfall bit. Hello dear viewers. So what I'm going to share with you is a tale of joy and of woe, and one of those "it could only happen to me" type of situations. So if you've been watching the video up to now, you will know that we've had a nice and enjoyable trip up around the Highlands down. We've been going down through Glencoe. You'll see some pictures from the Skyfall Road. What you won't know is that having gone back into my own car from driving the A110R, my key was unfortunately left on the roof. Yes, due to a breakdown in communications, I did not get that fact, and thus my car key is now lying in a ditch somewhere off of the Skyfall Road in Glencoe. So what I'm doing now is showing you how you can get around Scotland anywhere quite quickly, because what I'm now going to have to do is drive from Glencoe to my home just outside of Edinburgh, pick up the spare key to come back up to the hotel that we're staying in tonight. Once I've been to the hotel that we're staying in tonight, I will then speak to Alpine and keep you guys updated on how much it apparently costs to get a spare key ordered and programmed. So yes, that is the story just now. So the other problem that I've kind of run into is obviously the fact that you can't switch the engine off because I don't have the key. So because I can't switch the engine off because I don't have the key, I have 160 miles of range. It tells me that my home is 100 miles away. So we will see just how economical one of these things is. yeah, so that is the situation up till now. On the plus side, it's a hell of a story to tell everybody, and it means I get to go home and take the dog for a walk before I head back up for several light refreshments. Hopefully hopefully I will not be paying for the first one. But yes, I will keep you guys updated, and we will have a look again at some of the supercars once they've done the Skyfall trip, and once I've made it home and back up to the hotel. Thanks very much for listening to me. Again, if you haven't already, please hit the like and subscribe button. You now know that there's at least going to be a story to tell. So yeah, I will speak to you all soon. What I would say is, despite the minor calamity that befallen, what a great road again. It's actually been a quite sedate but highly enjoyable drive back. On the plus side there, I've just been meandering down the road. I've had the chance to speak to Alpine over in Glasgow, which is my closest dealer, about a replacement key. So I'm being quoted £466 for a replacement key, and £531 if I want it with the leather pouch that the key comes in. Yeah, which is interesting because the leather pouches on their own, when I've been looking at them, have been coming in at around 170 quid. 170 quid for a leather pouch. So yeah, not a total loss. An expensive lesson not to leave the key on the roof, of course. But yeah, there we go. So if you do ever have an A110 and do happen to lose one of the keys, expect a minimum of 466 to replace it. There you go. Cool story, yeah? For those of you that are regular viewers to the channel, you might have seen the two videos I did on my experience with Alpine Assist. That was the issue with the boot locking mechanism, which happened in a calendar, or just outside calendar. So here I am again, back in calendar for the first time since that happened. Yeah, it seems to be kind of blessed with not the best luck when I come up this neck of the woods, but it's always worth it. There we go. Nice part of the world, calendar, if you ever get the chance to come up this way. Evening it's turned into as well. Hello everyone, there we go, we're back on the road. New key picked up, quick change of clothes, and heading up to Auchterarder next, which is 1 hour and 6 minutes away, so should be there at about 20 to 8. Still in time for dinner, there we go, could have been worse. Finding some new roads here as I get myself back, so yeah, today's been a good day.
Oh, Gary would have. Gary, the other Gary, the Lotus Gary, he'll have gone the.
Oh yeah.
Apparently, we're going down that way, guys. I think it's down there.
So yeah, I shall look forward to seeing your YouTube footage then of all this.
Yeah, it'll be good.
If it's in the road, I didn't kick it back on the and anything within 6 months will give me.
So here we are at the Dormy restaurant, finally made it up to Gleneagles. Some of the guys eating in the 2 Michelin star Andrew Fairley restaurant. A few of us are here at the Dormy restaurant, which is absolutely lovely. Going to sit down and finally get some food in me. Yet another change of clothes, as you can see. But yes, let's get some food in us.
Anyway, yeah, we're going to have a leg like a bloody elephant.
Hello all.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Are we live?
You are indeed. How's dinner?
It's amazing.
Very good. It's excellent. The salmon's really good.
Yeah.